To me, it means that we're going to work our tails off to be so great that that we no longer have to sweat trying to recruit the best talent and chase the best clients and the best projects, that they'll recognize us for who we are and what we've become, and they'll come after us, and it excites me.
The vision statement is big and bold and seems somewhat unattainable, but really, to me, it seems like if you just focus on doing your job the best you can, the rest will follow.
It's kind of like an all-encompassing statement, right? I mean, it's everything good you want to hear about a company. You want to be with the best talent, and I assume that if you're working here, the people here think you are the best talent. So that's a good feeling. And obviously, you want to do great work for great clients. So I think all around, I think it's a great statement.
You know, it's a great atmosphere around here, and I think our clients see that a lot, and they want to be part of that atmosphere. So I think as long as we kind of stay true to everything that we've been doing so far, then we can continue to grow and serve our communities in the best way that we can.
Our vision statement is what we aspire to be. We aspire to be the best contractor that we can be. We aspire to be the best employer we can be.
It's achievement that I think this company should be proud of, knowing that people are seeking to come work here.
Our vision statement tells me that good is no longer good enough, and we're looking to be the best company in the world.